the greatest apostolic, prophetic, God-sending living missionary is here. They are here. The Lord has prepared you long enough. And today the Lord is releasing all of you to your destiny. Your life belongs to the Lord. The Lord owns you. You are for Jesus. You love the Lord. Then you will marry the Lord. You love the Lord. You will marry the Lord. Siya ang pakakasalan ninyo. Nagmamahal sa Kanya, magpapakasal sa Kanya. Padalin niyo ang inyong mga sarili. Hindi ba mahal niyo ang Panginoon, pakakasalan niyo siya. Magpapakatapat kayo sa Kanya. Hindi niyo siya ipagpapalit kahit kanino. Hindi ba mahal niyo siya, pakakasalan niyo ang mahal niyo. You belong to no one but to Jesus. You will serve no one but Jesus. You will obey no one but Jesus. And you will do everything for Jesus.